Hi everyone, I want to introduce a 3D game I made 3 to 4 years ago. It is made with Unity 3D, which is a famous game engine. It took me about a month to finalize it, including the animations, setting the scenes, characters, programming, etc. I will not say it's a perfect game, but I think it should be a good one to play with, so I want to introduce it with you. So basically, it is a 3D shooting scavenger hunt game. There are 3 roles you can play: the box, the richman, and also the fireman. I would prefer to call it fireman. Each of the roles has its own attacking style and ultimate. There are 5 stages: grass, desert, residential area, playground, and a secret one. Let's try the grass stage first. The goal of the game is to collect 5 keys. Every 20 seconds to a minute, a key will drop from the sky and fall to the ground. As you can see, there are a lot of monsters in the environment. The monster will continually be generated every few seconds. And these monsters are designed to track your location and chase after you for their whole lives. So you have to survive until you get 5 keys. You can either run or attack to keep you surviving. For the box, you can adjust the angle of the barrel. Here's the first key. And here's the second. Okay, I'm dead. Let's try another role and stage. Let's pick the richman and the desert stage. Richman's attack style is to throw paper money. In some stages, besides the original monster, there will be some giant monsters, like this one. Let's try to find the key. Here's one. Where's the key? Okay, I'm dead. Let's try the next one. The next is the residential area. This area is much bigger than the previous ones, so it is more difficult to find the keys. You can jump on the roof of the buildings. And let's take a look at the scenes. Richman's ultimate is to spread many money at the same time. By the way, you can jump on the building and even you can jump as high as you wish. Let's try to find the key. In this scene, there is an Easter egg, which is this red car. When you get in the car, while you cannot jump, but you will be in an invincible mode, where the monsters cannot hurt you anymore. But when you hit the wall, the car will just throw you out and disappear. I'm stuck in the trees. Okay, now I'm dead. Let's try the last one. Let's try the fireman and the playground. Here's the playground stage. Fireman's attack style is to throw fireballs. Fireman's ultimate is to throw a huge fireball matrix. You can play around with the facilities in this playground and use them to hide from monsters. This one is harder than the previous stages because the space is more often open and the monsters can reach you faster. Let's jump on the facility. And jump. Let's get into it. The ultimate. Undead. Finally, there's the secret stage. It is in a school, and here's the school bus. Let's get on it and take a look at the scene. Let's try to get inside the school. It's even so hard to just get into this door. There is nothing in this classroom. Let's look at this classroom. Here's nothing as well. Here's a window, and let's try to find the key. This is the most challenging stage for me, as the space is pretty complicated and there are a lot of objects in the classrooms. Let's get into it. Let's see this classroom. Nothing. How about this one? It's empty. Where's the keys? I'm dead. Okay, so this is the end of my demo. Lastly, here's a small challenge for you. Can you pass these stages without shooting the monsters? Because I can't, it's challenging. So if you can, please let me know. And thank you for watching this video. I will put the source code and the download link in the video description. And remember to check it out. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you.